So to look in further detail at what's happening ionically within the solutions when we do the halogen displacement reactions, we need to look at the reactions that occurred. And there was only 3 reactions that occurred, and that was the reaction between the sodium bromide in aqueous solution and the chlorine in aqueous solution. And what we saw was this displacing the bromine because it was a better oxidizing agent. So what we produce is NaCl aqueous, and we also release the bromine, Br2. Now this bromine is orange in colour, so that's why the solution turned yellow. It was quite diluted. So the first thing we need to do is balance the equation, and that looks balanced to me. The next thing to do is to then look at the ions that are present, and here we've got 2 Na plus, 2 Br minus, we've got Cl2, and we form 2 Na plus, 2 Cl minus, and Br2. We then cancel through, so we can get rid of this and this, and what we're left with is 2 Br minus aqueous plus Cl2 aqueous produces 2 Cl minus aqueous and Br2 aqueous. So that's our ionic equation for that one. Let's tidy this up a little bit. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Exactly the same principle for the next one. We will see NaCl produced, 2 lots of that, 2 lots of that. Iodine is produced in this reaction, and now iodine is purple in colour. When it's dilute, it appears a more brown colour. That's why we saw the observations that we saw. Exactly the same process again. Write out what we've got: 2 Na plus, 2 I minus, Cl2, 2 Na plus, 2 Cl minus, and I2, and we can get rid of the Na pluses, and what we're left with is 2 I minus aqueous, chlorine aqueous, 2 Cl minus aqueous, and iodine aqueous. Exactly the same for the next one down again. 2 lots of NaBr this time. Again, iodine is released, hence we see a brown solution formed. Let's balance this, 2 here, and the same process again: 2 Na plus, 2 I minus, Br2, 2 Na plus, 2 Br minus, and I2. We can get rid of the Na pluses, put in your state symbols, and those are the ionic equations here, here, and here for the reactions that we saw.